observation, we fill up the bird feeders every Thursday in the morning, and every Friday in the morning we observe the birds. So we start the first garden at 8 a.m. and end at the third garden at 9 a.m. So we stay in every garden 15 minutes and walk to the other garden, which takes us 5 minutes. We use some sheets with all information about the different birds and binocular to see the different birds. We also take pictures of the birds, and at the end we go back to the office and fill up a form on the internet with all the information, like which birds we saw and what time and in which garden. It's citizen science, which means like different people can do that. You just need to upload all the information about the garden and do the same as we do.
Many botanical gardens, including the Botanical Garden Marimurtra, have a seed bank. It is a dark room with strict temperature control to storage seeds. In October, we collected over 70 species of fruits from the garden. Afterwards, we wanted to have the seeds, so we had to clean them. When the fruit is pretty big, it is easy to separate the seed from the pulp with bare hands. When they are smaller, you need some water and a sieve to separate it. And in very rare cases, you need some tools like a saw to open the fruit and to get the seed.
After we cleaned all the seeds we got a list with all the seeds we have in Marimurtra, and then we upload this list, and different botanical gardens from all over the world can order some from Marimurtra. And if someone is ordering something, we put them in a bag, put everything together, and send them to the other botanical garden.
For the seed bank, so we can make a list for other gardens, and we can exchange it with them. In the garden, we worked from Monday to Wednesday and did normal gardening tasks like weeding, cleaning the ways. We raked leaves or cut hedges and bushes, but we also planted seedlings in the winter, so they can bloom in spring and summer. The seedlings are prepared beforehand in the gardener's house, and when they are big enough to be potted, we pot them and we waited until they grow some roots, and then we could plant them into the garden.